lights. I didn't hear. What the hell? There we go. Oh shit! I got something. I got a big old fish.
You don't want fish, you want shrimp, goddamn.
Come on over here.
What is that? A trout?
Oh, it's a damn mullet. Get that damn thing out of there for it. Last night it spun the damn net around.
David, where are you? Come on,
Oh, watch out now. Come on, Lilo.
Holy crap, it's a big one.
Right.
Get back. He's stuck in there.
Pick it up.
Drop it. There you go.
Lilo's decided that that's a little too big.
Oh, a mullet, huh?
Oh shit! What was? Oh, it was a shrimp.
I got a knife on.
Victor does.
What you need?
Just need a knife real quick.
Oh, that's a nice size one there.
That's how inadvertently got a fish in your ass. Thank you.
I got a couple in here, but we had 2, 3, 4. We're doing just like we did last week. We need more bait.
Lilo, she's got it in her mouth. And
I told you, I'm not fighting Lilo tonight. If she grabs one and runs off,
Hey, Dave, quit being an ass.
I'm just not fighting dogs.
Lilo. Hang on.
Look at him, he's standing up. Hey, where'd the bucket go?
Right here.
Keep going right there.
See, we ain't getting shit over there.
There you go.
I'm gonna go further.
Oh, that's a nice size fish there.
Where's the fish? Where do I get the fish?
Lilo's trying. Yeah, I don't care if they
Lilo.
get fish.
Where do I get that
They
fish?
can fish all day long.
What I do?
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, I got one here still in the horn.
The fish, the fish, I don't care if they get the
I
fish.
got fish too.
Fish are not gonna hurt you.
Come on, fish.
We got 1, 2, 3.
It tear up my net.
Oh, I'm not, believe me. But I'm breaking in the freaking shrimp right now.
Ditch. He grabbed one, starts running with it. Go grab the catfish. It's good.
Stop.
That thing's on its
Go.
head. Watch your foot, Karen.
Lilo, Stitch, move. Back up, back up, back up, back up,
That
back.
spot in the corner there is Lilo.
I was gonna try to shove him off, but
I'll say we can bait up again and wait a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, that's noisy.
Dave,
I didn't mean to do that. It was a mistake. I didn't mean to do that.
You just fucked up.
talk about me.
You Guido.
There's one right here.
Guido? I'm not no Guido. You're the one watching that Guido show, not me.
That's a ton of shrimp.
And we got a couple beer bottles that I threw in.
It's still early, too. You gotta leave it.
You did me good.